Hey guys, SimCoder here, and today we are going to talk about something that's a bit different from what I am used to doing. We are not going to write any code. I'm going to give you some updates on this YouTube channel and what will happen from now on. So, I've taken the decision to take all of the code that I have for sale in my store and make it open source on GitHub. I'm going to completely disable my store in order to give you access to every single piece of code that I've written over the past few years. So this is only possible because of all of you. And not only those that actually purchased the codes from my store, but also those that have supported me by watching my content and by subscribing, liking, commenting, all of that over these past 4 years. And I say that it is possible because this year has been kind of crazy for me. I've been given so many opportunities to work with so many different people and different companies, and even some partnerships that are going to come to YouTube later on this month and probably in the next to come. So, because of that, I don't really need the store right now. Well, it is still a relevant source of income, but I believe it is best suited if I gave it to all of you. And the reason why I'm doing this is actually quite straightforward. I was once also a college student or a high school student, wherever you are, which I know many of you are, and I didn't have that many possessions to actually purchase courses, code, whatever online. And so, because of the position that I'm in right now, where I can live comfortably without the store, I believe it is fair to give you all and to give something back to the community. So this is this is kind of my thank you present for all of you. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope that you put it to good use so that you can learn more than you can with just my YouTube channel. So in my YouTube channel, I try to keep things really straightforward and simple, and because of that, sometimes we have to cut corners. With the redesigns that I had in my store and that are going to go to GitHub, we take a bit of a deeper dive into each and every single project and try to redesign it, give it new features, and do a lot with it, which is not possible to do with YouTube. So that brings me to another point of why I want to make them open source, which is it is hard to maintain projects like this. You have to, from month to month, go to each and every single project and update every single dependency and update the projects and fix any sort of bug that is within the projects, which, well, there will always be. And I don't have time now to manage it. And because of that, I believe I can make it open source and give you all the ability to contribute to each and every single project. And I would be really happy to manage those open source projects and review your PR so that your code can go into these projects. And if you follow the how to contribute to open source projects video that I released a while back, you'll be able to do so in the easiest way possible. I'll be really happy to review your code, and it would be really great for the community as a whole as they would get your code, which would improve every single project. So yeah, if you know how to contribute to open source projects, then great, go for it and do it. If not, then give it a try and see if you like it. I'll try to help you out, so don't worry. So, when it comes to when will those projects be on GitHub, well, I ask you to give me some time as it will take a lot of time to get everything ready. So I will try to push one project at a time, and by that way, I can start pushing out projects without having to do it all at once, which would be really impossible to do at the current time. So I ask for your patience on it. I will go probably from the oldest to the newest. So I'll be disabling the store that I have on my website maybe in 2-3 months, but we'll see how that goes. When it comes to the future, I don't know. I don't know if, like, in 2 years' time, I'll be here saying, well, I'm selling this because I'm doing YouTube full time and because, well, I have to eat, so I have to make a few bucks on the side with YouTube. And the ads that are currently in my videos don't pay a lot. That's simply the truth. And if you talk with any YouTuber, you'll realize that that's the case. YouTube doesn't pay what it used to pay. So just with ads, it is almost nothing. And because of that, I don't know if in 2 years' time I won't be here saying that, well, the store is reopened and I'm going to sell something there. but for the time being, it didn't feel right. So all that's left to do is to, again, say thank you all for helping me over the years, and I'm glad that you enjoyed the content. I hope that you enjoyed the content better yet, and I'll be here for a long, long time. And yeah, let's see what the future holds. So again, thank you all, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Ciao!